All right, guys, you want diesels? We're gonna get you diesels. We didn't do much on it, but you got diesel. So Cummins 3500 2015. Got fuels all the way around, wrapped with nice rubber, some grapplers. What we got done on this beautiful beast, which is nothing except the tip. But what was done on it by somebody else, I don't know who. He just bought the truck. He brought it. He said he needed a tip put on it. We got him hooked up. So it's got everything deleted, 4-inch all the way back. We didn't touch it. As you guys can see, everything's still as it is. Since he bought it, the rust, everything. I didn't touch any of this. So remember that, guys, because they're bad about that. So we didn't touch anything. All the way back, everything's been deleted. All we put on it is this massive 10-inch tip, because, you know, why not? To complete the look with the black lights and badging and tires, because the tires are black, the fuels. Look at them right there. Look at that. Look at them. Look at them. So really nice truck. You guys can see from the paper tag is still, he just bought it, so it's brand new to him. Really nice truck. He bought it for show. So I don't blame him putting on a big 10-inch tip. Anyways, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, there'll be a link in the description for the 10-inch tip also. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. 2015 Cummins 6.7 liter. Sounds like an 18-wheeler. Oh, wow. Oh, that's neat, man. Give me gas. Rev it. Rev it. That sounds nice. Here's sound decibels. Right at 108. Look at that massive tip, guys. That's what they make these massive tips for, is dualies like that. What do you guys think? You like it or you don't like it? Let me know in the comments. I think it fits the truck because it's a massive truck, so it needs a massive tip. Got a really nice stance to it. Show truck. Wow. That's me. Mean Gene. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. Here she is. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Diesel 3500. Ah, that sign is perfect. The beast. Let's see if he goes beast mode. Massive 10-inch tip.